Hi guys, let's see how to fix very simple but technical problems like this. It says the product of two numbers is 40 and the sum of their squares is 20. Find their sum. Okay, now what we're going to do now is to let the numbers be A and B. You can use X and Y. You can use P and Q as the case may be. All right. Now, it says the product of two numbers is 40. That means that the product of A and B is equal to 40. That means that AB is equal to 40. Let's call it equation 1. And then it says the sum of their squares is 20. That means A squared plus B squared is equal to 20. Let's call it equation 2. All right. Now, since the sum of their squares is given to us as 20, it is very paramount, very, very important that we obtain the square of their sum. It's very important. So now the square of their sum is A plus B all squared. Now we know by simple algebraic expansion that this is the same thing as A plus B into A plus B. Now, when we expand this algebraic expression, we're going to have A times A will give us A squared. A times B will give us AB. B times A will give us AB. And B times B will give us B squared. Okay, now this is equal to A squared plus AB plus AB will give us 2AB plus B squared. Now, when we collect the squares together, we're going to have A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. This is the same thing as this. Now remember that the whole of this is equal to A plus B all squared. That is A plus B all squared. Okay, now what we are now going to do is to substitute equation 1 and equation 2 into this very equation, because we know that A squared plus B squared is 20 and AB is equal to 40. So A plus B all squared is equal to A squared plus B squared is equal to 20. So we are going to replace it with 20. Then plus 2, that is this 2, multiplied by AB is given to us as 40. Okay, now A plus B all squared is equal to 20 plus 2 times 40 will give us 80. Now A plus B all squared is equal to 20 plus 80 will give us 100. Now, since A plus B all squared is equal to 100, to find A plus B, we're going to find the square root of both sides. Now, the square root on both sides is A plus B all squared is equal to, we're now going to introduce plus or minus the square root of 100. Okay, now this square root here, we cancel the square. We're now going to have A plus B is equal to plus or minus the square root of 100 is equal to 10. Therefore, the sum of the numbers is plus or minus 10. In other words, it may be plus 10, it can also be minus 10. Thank you very much for your audience. Please don't forget to share our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you.